my views on unity in diversity. One for all and all for one. Diversity is like a colorful painting. The colors are different, yet the value of each color is the same. It encourages the notion of living in the world with different people of different backgrounds peacefully. India takes pride in proving the fact of unity in diversity. India is a mixed bag of various cultures and ethnicities. Different parts of the country have different customs, food, languages, and even dressing styles. Despite this diversity, Indians are still essentially one. Let's stress on the phrase. United we stand, divided we fall, but for now, please stand united with a good distance from each other. Would like to end the topic with a short poem. Here it goes. India is a place, unique in space, bearded with pearls of unity, leading with oneness in diversity, paving ways to integrating, saving itself with its originality, serving as an epitome of unity in diversity. As Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel has rightly said, never go out of unity. You cannot win alone. Dhanyavadagalu.